Hey, let me show you how to remove or insert the SIM card in the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G. So first of all, you have to actually prepare the SIM tool. You can actually find it in the box. And now the SIM slot is located at the top. It's just right here. Now we have to input this tool inside. There we go. And now just gently press on it. Now we can actually find that this SIM tool, this SIM slot actually pops. So we have to grab our fingernails and try to gently remove it. There we go. And now as you can see, right here I can find the SIM card, and if I want to get rid of the SIM card, I have to input this tool. Let me just catch focus. There we go. Right here. And now my SIM card is here. If I want to input this SIM card, I can do this for the first slot or the second one. So if I want to input this SIM card for the second slot, I have to input it like this, in this position. There we go. Now when you do this, it's actually completely flat. It doesn't come over this surface. And if I want to put it on the second one, I have to just input it like this, in this position, like on this picture. And it's also completely flat. Now if you want to put it into your phone, do this in this position. There we go. Now gently press on it, push with your fingernail. Now it is completely inside, and from this you have to just wait, and as you can see, my SIM card is inside. I can find my mobile data turned on as default. So that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.